Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by bringing your assets into the editor. Import the photo and the song right away, then name the project so nothing gets lost. Next, set the canvas aspect ratio depending on where you'll post and trim the audio to the desired clip length. Once done, scrub the waveform to find the strongest beat. Place a timeline marker at that first beat because having a sync reference makes the rest predictable. Make sure to save a copy before heavy edits. Now you'll synchronize visuals with the marked beats. First, cut or split your photo layers where markers fall, then add keyframes for scale and position to create motion that hits the beat. Use short transitions, about 3 to 6/10 of a second, so the motion feels rhythmic rather than jarring. Once you have one photo timed perfectly, copy those keyframes across other photos and tweak individual timing so accents land on stronger beats. Always preview. For finalizing, render a short test clip using H.264 and a reasonable bitrate, and listen closely for any drift between beat and visual cut. Normalize the audio to about -3 dB so peaks don't clip, and ensure the project frame rate matches export settings to avoid timing shifts. If the audio drifts over time, convert the song to the project sample rate or re-import at the correct frame rate, and reapply markers. That usually fixes sync issues. Keep a saved version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.